So we're going to do everything from picking a domain right down to the analytics of getting data. Okay, so in this presentation, we're going to do SEO and Google AdWords review. We're going to look at choosing a domain name and using Google Keyword Planner. We're going to buy a domain and set up hosting. That's out of scope, but we're going to redo kind of like that little bit of a lecture I did a couple classes ago. Install WordPress, that's out of scope, so we're going to assume that's done. Set up Google Analytics, set up Google Webmaster, set up AdWords, add plugins to the website, go through Yoast SEO, WP Cache, Google Analytics, install Google Analytics, connect Google Analytics, Webmaster, create content. So we're going to create a few pages and we're going to use Google Keyword Planner and some SEO knowledge to help us. Set up a Google ad campaign, a little introduction to Google Analytics. Before we do that, we're going to look at some terminology. Some basics, SEO terminology. SEM, search engine marketing. SEM is purely about getting free traffic. False. It's about getting relevant traffic either through SEO or through AdWords. What's the most important factor for organic ranking? Some say getting links from authority sites. So having links from a high authority domain going to a website doesn't necessarily mean anything unless there's some good content on the website and you have other things going. Well, all things being equal, getting links from authority sites is the most important. But it's no good unless it has a good website backing it up that's on topic of what you're trying to do. The technical term for the version of a document that you want search engines to pay attention to is the canonical version. You can have multiple content on a website and kind of have it set as different landing pages, and you can actually have it set that Google understands this one page is the page we want to look at and the rest we don't care about. Search engines pay attention to the canonical version. And the link, http://example.com/blog/search blah 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 blah. Example.com is the domain. And the above link, .com is the TLD, top level domain. .ca is a TLD, .co.uk, .org, .net, .info, the whole link together, URL, Uniform Resource Locator. If Google encounters a robots file, so a robots.txt file is something search engines look at to get instructions of what pages it should look at or ignore. This is the most basic robots.txt file. It's just a little file that sits in your root domain, and all it says is user agent, everybody. So star means everybody. Disallow, go crawl my website, look for anything. You can have disallow, so I'm going to do robots.txt for WordPress. WordPress robots.txt file. So user agent, star means everybody. Allow, you're allowed to go into my uploads folder. Disallow, don't go into my plugins folder. Don't scan the readme.html, so I don't want you bringing that up in search results. We don't need to go into this too much, but if you have pages that you don't want to be crawled, you could put in a disallow /page name. You might have a private page set for only people that, and you don't want to set up a password or something, but only people with a link can see it. So a disallow will prevent Google from crawling it and ranking it. Okay? But if you have the address, you can go there. 301 code. So the 301 code tells Google the page is moved and has been redirected. If we do this, I'm going to show you an example of a 301. I used to have my website at WordPress, and it was davidhouse.wordpress.com. If I put that in, it takes me to davidhousemarketing.com/Calgary-marketing, my marketing form. So WordPress.com, the free one, that's limited, I pay them $10 a year to keep that redirect. And so anytime any of those old links and stuff that went to that site, go to this site. That's a 301 redirect. So you can redirect a page or a whole website.